Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful crochet flower earrings ideas. You will see different kinds of crochet flower earrings in this video. Some of the designs are very attractive and super beginner friendly to make. You can just make them almost within 10 minutes only, and most of the designs can be made just within half an hour. And these designs are all having one or two rows mostly. One row is made with single crochet and then petals are made with double crochet stitches, and some of the designs are having three rows pattern, three rounds pattern maximum. So these designs are having different kinds of patterns. You will see some five petal, six petal flowers, two layer flower, and you can see this beautiful square patch design which is having a simple five petal flower along with a bead inside, which is giving very attractive and gorgeous look due to its contrasting color scheme. So you can see all of these designs are super beginner friendly and easy to make and having beadwork in them of different sizes. So if you are a lover of beadwork, you can just make earring along with beads inside it as well. And these designs are mostly made with contrasting colors. A few of the designs are in single color as well. So take an idea about the color schemes as well. I have uploaded some earring videos on my channel already because I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel other than these kinds of ideas videos which are containing latest trends. If you are a expert of crochet work, from these videos you can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home because these designs are super beginner friendly, and just with the help of picture you can follow the pattern and make these earrings. So it will help you to it will help you to make earring super fast rather than seeing full tutorial video. And if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos as well and you cannot follow the pattern just with the help of picture, you can see my beginner friendly crochet earring videos as well. And you can also let me know in the comments if you are interested in any specific design or pattern tutorial video which is currently not available on my channel. I upload all kinds of crochet tutorial videos which include baby dresses, baby caps, shoes, headbands, and you will see different kinds of crochet round patterns, square patterns, which can be used in different patchwork ideas. And you will see different earrings, coasters, doilies tutorial, table runners tutorials available on my channel as well. So huge stuff are available, and you will love all types of handmade stuff ideas which are available on my channel. So stay connected and share this video with other handmade products lovers. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and your family. Bye.